Hi, in front of me is OPPO Find X2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this OPPO. First of all, open Settings. Now scroll down, choose Fingerprint, Face and Password, click on Set Lock Screen Password and wait 5 seconds. Now tap on Continue and choose Use a different password type. Over here, pick one of the login methods by tapping on the chosen one. So now, because I chose pattern, I have to draw it and repeat it. If you want to add your fingerprint, you can do that by tapping on Add and following the instructions. But I don't want to, so I will go with Cancel. And now, when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I guess that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!